Hello and welcome back to Vintage Nook. If you've ever wondered how to make your home look more luxurious without spending a fortune, you're in the right place. Today we're sharing 10 small details that can make a big difference and instantly elevate the look and feel of your home. From lighting to textiles and everything in between, these design touches are easy to apply and totally timeless. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's explore how simple changes can bring out the beauty in every corner of your home. Lighting sets the tone of a room, and a unique fixture instantly elevates the space. Opt for a sculptural pendant light, a vintage chandelier, or sleek sconces. Statement lighting draws the eye and adds drama, making even the simplest interiors feel intentional and luxurious. Beyond function, lighting acts as visual jewelry for your home. Choose warm bulbs for a cozy glow, or layer lighting with lamps and dimmers. It's an easy update that feels high-end without breaking the bank. The right lighting says you've paid attention, even to the ceiling. Crown molding instantly adds architectural depth to any room. It brings a sense of classic elegance and finishes the space beautifully. While subtle, this detail makes walls feel taller and rooms feel more cohesive. It bridges the gap between ceiling and wall in a graceful, timeless way. Even inexpensive molding, when painted to match your trim, can mimic high-end design. Combine it with baseboards or paneling for a layered effect. It's a detail most overlook, but once added, it's impossible to ignore. Sophistication hides in the lines, and molding speaks volumes. Mismatched knobs and handles can cheapen your space. Swap them out for cohesive, stylish hardware in finishes like brushed brass, matte black, or antique bronze. This small update can unify a kitchen or bathroom instantly and is often the finishing touch designers swear by. Even budget furniture gains elegance with upgraded hardware. Matching metal tones across doorknobs, light fixtures, and handles creates a polished look. Hardware may be a small detail, but it holds a big impact. It subtly signals quality and care in design. Throw pillows, rugs, and blankets in layered textures create a cozy, curated look. Think linen, velvet, wool, and cotton working together. A room feels more luxurious when the eye can dance across different surfaces and softness. It adds comfort and visual richness in equal measure. Mixing patterns and tones adds dimension and a designer feel. Keep your palette cohesive, but don't shy away from contrast. Layered textiles turn sterile rooms into soulful spaces. It's a decorator's trick that suggests warmth, intention, and timeless style, all with fabric. One large piece of art can anchor a room like nothing else. It adds instant sophistication, pulling the design together. Oversized art feels gallery-worthy, creating impact and drawing the eye upward. Even abstract or DIY pieces can look expensive with the right scale and frame. Art doesn't have to be costly to be effective. A well-chosen canvas or print in a bold size adds character and charm. Choose something that speaks to your taste and complements your space. It's less about price and more about presence. Big art, big statement. First impressions count, so make your entryway count too. A console table with a mirror, lamp, and a small bowl for keys sets a thoughtful tone. It's an area often overlooked, but when styled, it says your home is cared for and curated right from the front door. Add a rug or small bench to elevate the space further. Fresh flowers or framed art complete the look. It's a small slice of your home, but it communicates your entire aesthetic. With just a few elements, your entryway can whisper elegance before you've even stepped inside. A unified color scheme ties your entire home together. Whether neutral, earthy, or bold, consistency across rooms makes your space feel intentional. It's a subtle luxury that screams design confidence and makes each room feel like a chapter in one cohesive story. Avoid clashing tones that disrupt flow. Instead, use variations of your palette for interest. Think tonal shades, accent walls, and cohesive accessories. A coordinated palette brings calm and sophistication, two hallmarks of expensive-looking interiors, without needing a designer budget. Real plants breathe life into any room. Whether it's a leafy fiddle leaf fig or a few stems in a vase, greenery adds color and texture that instantly feels upscale. It creates a connection with nature and suggests a space that is both alive and lovingly maintained. Fresh flowers, even a modest bouquet, add elegance and softness. Rotate arrangements seasonally for a designer touch. Plants and blooms cost little but say a lot. They whisper refinement and freshness, two things money can't always buy but nature freely offers. Mirrors reflect light and expand space, making rooms appear brighter and bigger. A well-framed mirror, vintage, modern, or ornate, doubles as art. It reflects not only your space but your style, instantly lifting the room with shine and depth. Place mirrors thoughtfully across from windows or above consoles. Choose frames that echo your decor's tone, From antique gold to sleek black, mirror frames can be sculptural focal points. It's functional luxury that brings polish, presence, and perceived square footage. A luxurious home isn't just seen, it's felt and smelled. Scent is an invisible detail that transforms spaces. Use candles, diffusers, or incense in layered, subtle fragrances like cedarwood, vanilla, or citrus. Your guests may not see it, but they'll always remember it. Combine scent with ambient lighting and soft music for full sensory charm. Think spa-like calm or cozy cafe vibes. Ambience creates memory and mood, giving your home a quietly luxurious atmosphere. It's the finishing touch that's invisible but unforgettable. And there you have it, 10 small but powerful design details that can make your home look effortlessly expensive. Which idea was your favorite? Or is there a secret trick you already use that we didn't mention? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a cozy design tip from Vintage Nook. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating beauty in the little things.